Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up groups for these Sengled smart LED multicolor light bulbs. So instead of trying to control the lights individually, which you still can even if you set up a group, but the purpose of the group is to be able to control the lights together. So I set two of these up in my garage yesterday to use for just garage lighting, and then when we're using the arcade inside of the garage, just to be able to create a cool effect, maybe have like blue and red or whatever colors we choose to just create a neat effect, while playing the arcade games in the garage. So I wanted to show you guys how to be able to set up a group of however many lights you want. If you had all four of these lights in one area and you wanted them to be a group, or two or three or whatever it was. In this case, it's just two of the light bulbs. And so I'm going to walk you through that step by step. First thing, let me show you what can be done currently with the light bulbs that I installed in the garage. And this is my Amazon Echo Dot here. I just have it out in the garage on my workbench, and I use it to be able to listen to music or look things up or various things like that. And this will be a great addition to be able to, control the light bulbs by voice. And I do have a video where I go through the setup process on these multicolor smart LED light bulbs. And if these are the ones you got and you're interested, I will link that video at the end of this one. And I just walk through the process of how to, set these light bulbs up in the Amazon app. And that word, I won't say this word throughout the video, because if I do, I don't want to accidentally trigger one of your devices. So every time that I do need to say it, I'll just put that word up on the screen. So, okay, so let's take a look at the light bulbs inside of the garage, and I'll show you some of the things they can do, and then I'll walk through the setup process in the Amazon app and show you how to set up a group. Okay, so there are the two Sengled multicolor smart LED light bulbs that I set up above our arcade. And this is going to be really cool for us because anytime we're out here playing the arcade, we can create a cool effect with these multicolor light bulbs and just make, for a cooler experience while we're out here, playing games in the arcade. So currently, though, we don't have a group set up for these light bulbs, so we can't control them together. We can just control them individually. So let me show you what we can do currently. And anytime that I have to say this name, I'm just going to put it up on the screen so you guys know that I'm saying it, but I will mute the audio. That way I don't accidentally trigger one of your guys' devices. So turn first light blue.
Okay.
And you can see that's cool. I can still control the lights individually. We just don't have a group set up to be able to control them together. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do step by step. Turn first light white.
Okay.
All right, so now let's head into the Amazon app, and I'll show you step by step how to create a group. Okay, this is the Amazon app, and this is the home screen. So we're going to select the Devices tab on the bottom right-hand side of the screen, which will take us here. And on this screen here, we're going to select the plus sign in the top right corner, which will take us to this screen, and then we will select Add Group. Once we do that, it will take us to this screen here, and we will select Create a Room or Device Group, and then that will bring us into this screen here, and it's talking about Create a Room or Device Group, and we'll hit the Next button, and that will take us to this screen here. Okay, and then on this screen here, it has a lot of common names for groups that you can use, but if you scroll down to the bottom, there's a custom name field, and if you select this, you can put in whatever name you want to, and I'm going to put in Garage because that's the name that I want to use for my group, and then we'll select the Next button, and it will take us to this screen here, And this is where you can select the devices that you want to include in the group. So I'm going to select first light and second light. And then you can select the next button when you're done, and it will take you to this screen here where you can add devices to the group that you set up. And I'm going to add my Echo Dot, and then you can select the next button. And then it takes you to this screen here where it lets you know that the group is ready, and then gives you some information, about what's included in the group. And once you select done, it brings you into this screen here. And this lets you know, all of the different things that you've included in the group. And it was as easy as that. So now let's see, once we have the group set up, let's see what the two Sengled smart LED multicolor light bulbs can do. Okay, so now that we have a group set up for the two Sengled multicolor smart LED light bulbs in the garage, let's see how it works. So turn garage lights blue.
Okay.
And look at how cool that is. So now I can, have things happen to both light bulbs that are in the group, or if you put, multiple light bulbs in a group, you can have, turn them on or off or change them all the same color together through the group, and just makes it, an extra added feature that just simplifies using these smart devices. So turn garage lights white.
Okay.
Turn garage lights off.
Okay.
So yeah, this is really cool, and turn garage lights on.
Okay.
So you can see how this just creates like this, added benefit to the smart light bulbs. And, if you set up a group in a particular room or whatever it is, you're just able to control all of those lights together in the group. All right, guys, well, that is it for this video, and I hope it's been helpful. And if you did get the Sengled multicolor smart LED light bulbs, I will link my review of these light bulbs and the setup process video at the end of this video. So if you're interested and have time and want to learn how to set these up step by step, please check that video out. And whether or not you have the Sengled multicolor light bulbs or you bought a different brand smart LED light bulb, the group setup process should be the same. So I hope this video has helped you and you are able to get the group set up that you want to set up. So thank you again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have the time, check out these other great videos.